Hi all, so let's do the example we saw in the slides. Here are the waiting times for the bank, and the first thing we want to do is state the min, max, median, Q1, Q3, and the interquartile range. So let's go over to StatCrunch. I already put the values in that we need, and to get the summary statistics that was asked, let's go over to Stat, Summary Stats, and then Column. We select var1 because that's the variable. And then to get specific ones, we just put control. So if I want the n sample size, and then we're asked also min max, so let's and median. So here's median. Then we want min max Q1, Q3. Sorry. And then what else? The interquartile. So that's it. So then we go down and push compute. So it gives us everything we need. So what we want to do is copy this. So copy, and it says click on the output, drag the mouse to select the portion, use Control A to select all of it, and use Control C. So I'm just going to copy it. Over here. And there we go. And I just did Control V to paste. So the next thing we want is we want to determine using our quartiles which data points are outliers. So if we recall the formulas for the lower fence, so LF equals Q1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So using the numbers above, we have the Q1 is 5.555 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range is 2.805. And putting that in your calculator, we get 1.3475. And then the upper fence, we have Q3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So that equals, the Q3 we have is 8.36 plus 1.5 times 2.805, the interquartile range. And to calculate again, we get 12.5675. So now we have to look at the data, and do we have any values below 1.3475? So again, we see one value, and that's 1.00. So yes, we have one value, and then let's see if there's any on the upper side. Do we have any values that are bigger than 12.5675? And no. We said this again in the slides, but I want to just go through it again. No, so this means that 1.00 is an outlier and the only outlier in this data set. So now we want to construct the box plot for this data set. So we're going to go back over to StatCrunch. We go to Graph, Boxplot, select our variable, and then this part is really, we want to check use fences to identify outliers. Otherwise, the outliers won't show on the plot. So for this case, we want to show the outlier so we can distinguish which ones are outliers. So then we hit compute. And here's our box plot. So we want to copy it. We want to copy the image. So let's read the directions. We just select right click, and we're going to put copy image. And then to paste it, we go over to the document, and it said for me, it might say different directions with a different computer, but it's Control Alt V, and then I hit device with independent. And there it is. and we can see our one outlier is 1. So that's it.